Sales automation improves your sales conversion rates, but most organizations lose on deals because of a lack of organic opportunities or insufficient follow-up, or because they simply did not respond to their customers on time. You can set up these simple sales automation systems and I guarantee that you will improve your sales volume. Hey everyone, I'm Sushant from EC Info Solutions, and today I'm going to break down 5 cool sales automation hacks that will get you more sales for your business. The first tip I have for you is to start using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Inside of LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can search for prospects using custom filters such as finding digital marketers in San Francisco. The next step is to configure email alerts so that you can start receiving new profiles that match your filters every day on your email. With this simple step, you can quickly start creating a list of prospects who match your customer profile. Once you have your prospects captured in a CRM software such as Freedom CRM or within your own Excel sheet, it's time to start enriching your data. Start by adding company size, employment position, industry growth rate, and other data points that will allow you to have common ground with your prospect when you progress in your sales cycle. Once your prospect list is ready, it's time for step number 2, opportunity creation. In this step, your primary goal is to connect with your prospects and to have them opt into your email list. There are various ways you could accomplish this. You could start by creating an awesome targeted blog post which really makes sense to your target group. Make sure that this blog post is 100% informational and absolutely 0% commercial. You could also schedule a webinar for your product or service. Or you could have a product giveaway or a contest. At the time of any of these content pieces, have a form which your prospects can fill up for some bonus content or a product giveaway. When they fill this form, you have an opt-in email address from your prospect. It is very important to start building an email list of your prospects. Which brings us to the next step, sales email automation, which requires a fine balance between branding and information, all while making sure that you are not spamming your prospect. The core objective here is to add value to your prospect while warming them up to buy from you. So make sure that you send your prospect an email very selectively, only when you have an awesome piece of information to share with them. Remember, your prospects at this time are only looking for more information from you. Since they are prospects, eventually some of them will be in the market for your product or service, and that is when you convert them from being warm to hot for your business. Make sure that all your email communication has phone numbers and contact us forms on them. Once they call you or fill a contact me form, you move on to the next step in your sales process, the sales call. This sales call could either be a visit to your prospect or a telephone call or even a video conference online. But when they see you or talk to you, remember you're almost inside the gates. This sales call is very important, where you need to educate your prospect regarding your business and at the same time convince them that you are the only real choice when it comes to your industry. At this stage, the prospect is already hot for you since you have already added a whole lot of value for them over some time. In most cases, you can easily move to the final stage of the sales process, proposals. At this stage, the prospect already trusts you and has taken some leap of faith by considering to give their business to you. So the only reason why they will not give you business is financial. So make sure you're giving them more value than the money that you're asking from them. Promise them a whole lot of bonus products and services that you can deliver. If you're a high-ticket business, ensure that you're giving your prospects some kind of a financial plan where they can pay you over time. I guarantee that if you follow these above steps, you can grow your business from 30, 40, 50% on a year-on-year basis while keeping your margins. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or if you have any other cool sales automation ideas, feel free to comment and link them down so all of us can learn something new. Thank you all for watching, and make sure you subscribe and follow us for more tutorials.